Hey baby, it's me, Ciate, and today we're going to do this Valentine's Day night out, like, just yumminess, you know. Unfortunately, I will not be celebrating Valentine's Day. Well, I kind of am celebrating it, but I won't be celebrating it with a hubby, boyfriend, lover. This whole week is going to be Valentine's Day makeup. Next week I'm hoping for like, I'll tell you guys at the end of the video. I think I have a plan of what I want to be doing. That'll be at the end of the video. But yeah, this whole week will be Valentine's Day week, kind of. I'm going to be showing you guys like makeup tutorials that I would wear on Valentine's Day. And like natural, somewhat natural, and smoky, and this, which today we're here for this makeup look, and it's so bomb. Like, I would totally wear this for a night out on Valentine's Day. Yes, please. Next week is Valentine's Day. I'm pretty sure on the 14th of a Wednesday. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a Wednesday. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you haven't already. Comment if you haven't already. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this Valentine's Day night out with your hubby, you know, just keep on watching. So I'm going to grab the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to start grabbing some warm colors with like a red undertone. And yeah, and this palette has a lot of reds and a lot of browns with a little bit of red undertone. So I'm going to be using this palette today. I'm probably going to grab other palettes, but this has the colors that I want to use today, so I'm going to be using most of this palette. The first brush that I'm going to be using today is this Emax Design Fluffy brush, and I'm going to grab, let's go ahead and just go in with a dark color. Not really dark, but this color right here. I'm just going to go in with this color and put it right in the crease. And then I'm going to grab the color right next to it, which is this one right here. This is the one that we took, and we're going to take this one and put it right in the crease just to deepen it up a little bit more. And then I think I'm just going to go in with this color right here, and I'm going to put it on the outer part of the eye. And then I think I'm going to put one last color on the outer part of the eye, because might as well. Let's take a little bit of this color. I'm going to take the same brush that we just took. I'm going to take this e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette, and I'm going to take this color right here, just a small little bit, because this is like a very like dark red, and I don't want it to look too dark on the outer part. So I'm going to take a little bit and put it on the outer part of the eye, just to deepen it up a little bit. And then I'm going to take this Ulta Beauty Face and Body Glitter in Ruby Rose. I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to just take that on a brush and kind of like cut my crease and put it on the lid. And then I'm going to take this Ulta Beauty Glitter Primer, and I'm going to apply that on the back of my hand just a little bit, and take a little small brush and apply that on where we put that shimmer shadow, and let that dry for a second, and apply the glitter. Oh yeah, this is gonna look real good, girl. And then I'm just gonna grab some tape and grab that glitter. And then I'm going to take this Ciate London Fierce Flex liner in black and just do a wing, you know? No biggie. Alrighty. Now what I'm going to be doing is, okay, so I'm going to finish this eye, and then I'm going to put on mascara, and then I'm going to put on these Eylure lashes in 202, and I'm going to do my full face off camera, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so now we're going to be doing the waterline. I'm going to grab this, I think it's the Rimmel London White Liner, I could be totally wrong, but I'm going to take this white liner, eyeliner, and just put it in my waterline. And then I'm going to take this Morphe definer brush. It's just a flat brush. And I'm going to take I'm going to take the first color that we took, which is this color, and the second color that we took together. And I'm going to put it close to the waterline and then blend down with it. And then I'm going to grab the last color that we took, which is this one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this one. And the brush that I'm blending, so the shadows can go down a little bit, I'm not taking this brush. I'm taking this IBI Beauty crease brush just to blend it down a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little bit of powder under my eyes. And put mascara down there. The lip color that I took on my lips was, I actually was trying to find the lip color, and I was just seeing if this was it. And it's it. It looks so good with this look. But this is the NYX Professional Makeup Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in Push Up. And I have the sample size, and this is really cute and everything. Hey, I really like this lip color. And then I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to apply this to the brow bone and the inner corner highlight. These two colors right here. Alright guys, so if you guys like this makeup look right here, I just really wanted to make like a whole week of Valentine's Day like makeup. Since this is the like a night out with your like bae, you know, like all dramatic glitter and everything, night out on Valentine's Day, you know. I was thinking next video I should do like a not dramatic but not natural makeup look, and then the last video of this week should be like a very natural look for Valentine's Day. Yeah, so this whole week's gonna be Valentine's Day makeup for Valentine's Day, which is next week on the 14th, which is Wednesday, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next video.